Welcome back to Aqualair Sources, where we help you make informed financial decisions. Today, we have an important topic to discuss: best unsecured credit cards for individuals with bad credit and no deposit required. Having bad credit can be a major obstacle, but these credit cards can help you rebuild your credit score. We'll dive into the top 5 best unsecured credit cards for bad credit with no deposit. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of which card might be the right choice for you. We'll be looking at the top options of best unsecured credit cards for bad credit with no deposit. Let's dive right in. Let's start by understanding what bad credit cards are. These are credit cards designed specifically for individuals who have a poor credit history or a low credit score. They often come with higher interest rates and fees, but they're a lifeline for those looking to improve their creditworthiness. You should also know about what is an unsecured credit card. An unsecured credit card is a type of credit card that doesn't require you to provide a security deposit to open an account. Unlike secured cards, which are backed by a deposit, unsecured cards are extended based on your creditworthiness. Now, let's discuss the key differences between unsecured and secured credit cards. Secured cards require a cash deposit as collateral, while unsecured cards do not. Unsecured cards typically have lower credit limits and may come with higher interest rates, but they don't tie up your funds in a security deposit. Here's the exciting part: our list of the top 5 best unsecured credit cards for bad credit with no deposit. These cards can be a game changer for your credit journey. Our list includes the following credit cards. Our first recommendation is the Milestone MasterCard. This card is designed for people with less than perfect credit. It's an unsecured credit card, meaning you don't need to make a security deposit. The Milestone MasterCard reports to all 3 major credit bureaus, which can help you improve your credit score over time. Next up is the Capital One Platinum Credit Card. While this card doesn't specifically target people with bad credit, it's known for being more lenient in its approval process. Many people with fair to bad credit have been approved for this card. It also offers a credit limit increase after you make your first 5 payments on time, which can be a significant boost for your credit utilization ratio. The Surge MasterCard is another unsecured credit card option for individuals with bad credit. It comes with a higher annual fee, but it may be worth it if you're working on improving your credit score. Like the Milestone MasterCard, the Surge MasterCard also reports to the major credit bureaus, which is crucial for rebuilding your credit. Moving on to the Credit One Bank Platinum Visa Credit Card. This card is tailored to individuals looking to rebuild their credit. It offers cashback rewards on eligible purchases and provides regular credit limit reviews. By making responsible use of this card, you can gradually improve your creditworthiness. Last but not least, we have the Mission Lane Visa Credit Card. This card is designed for those with less than perfect credit scores. It offers features like a mobile app for easy account management and the opportunity to build your credit over time. Plus, it's an unsecured card, so no security deposit is required. To wrap it up, if you're working to improve your credit and need an unsecured credit card without a deposit, consider these options. Remember, while these cards can be helpful in rebuilding your credit, it's essential to use them responsibly. Make on-time payments, keep your credit utilization low, and monitor your credit report regularly. Over time, your credit score can improve, opening up even more financial opportunities. Wondering who qualifies for these cards? While the specific eligibility criteria may vary from card to card, generally, they are designed for individuals with less than perfect credit. But remember, approval is not guaranteed, so it's essential to review the individual requirements for each card. Lastly, let's talk about the benefits of these unsecured credit cards. They can help you rebuild your credit history by reporting your payments to credit bureaus, offer the flexibility of not needing a security deposit, and in some cases, provide additional perks like cashback rewards or credit limit increases. That's it for today's video on the best unsecured credit cards for bad credit with no deposit required. We hope this information helps you on your journey to financial recovery. If you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more valuable financial content. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with these credit cards, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.